In this video, I'm going to be talking about how does Amazon manage inventory. Amazon's inventory management is a complex and highly advanced system designed to handle the massive scale of its e-commerce business. It is a combination of technology, sophisticated algorithms, and operational strategies. And in this video, I'm going to give you a detailed look if you are curious. So first, you must be aware of the technology-driven forecasting and placement. At the core of Amazon's inventory system are advanced mathematical models and machine learning algorithms. These supply chain optimization technologies develop these models to predict customer demand for every product listed in Amazon. This allows them to forecast demand, have optimal placement, and dynamic fulfillment. So, whenever an order is placed, a real time order assignment system chooses the optimal fulfillment center to ship from, ensuring that the customer's delivery promise is met. They also have the random store strategy. Amazon's warehouses don't use a traditional organized system where all similar items are stored together. Instead, they have a random store strategy. When a new product arrives at a fulfillment center, an associate scans its barcode and places it in the first available empty shelf or bin. The system then records the precise location of that item. This approach speeds up the put away process because associates don't have to search for a specific location, they just find any available space. It reduces picking time because similar products are scattered throughout the warehouse. A picker can grab multiple items for a single order without having to travel across the entire facility, and it makes the most of every available space in the warehouse, regardless of the product's category. And for the millions of third-party sellers on Amazon Marketplace, inventory management is a shared responsibility. They have fulfillment by Amazon, but they also have fulfillment by merchant. So sellers who choose to handle their own fulfillment are responsible for their own inventory management. While they don't use Amazon's physical warehouse network, they still use Amazon's platform to track sales and orders. So essentially, they will have their own storage means. They always do continuous improvements and automation, so in essence, it is dynamic. It is a data-driven ecosystem that uses a unique combination of technology and operational practices to maintain a delicate balance between having enough products on hand to meet demand and not having so much that it leads to costly storage fees. So I hope I was able to help you. If this video answered any questions that you had about Amazon, please consider subscribing. As you can see, 83% of the people watching our videos are not subscribed. So if you subscribe, you can help us make higher quality videos. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you on the next one.